Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandy. We are going to be doing a makeup tutorial today. And it's just pretty much a simple look. I've been under the weather lately. I had a sinus infection last week. I'm still kind of in the throes of it, but I'm better now. And today I have some things I have to do, but I don't want to look like I've been sick. Like I have scarring on my nose from blowing it too much, so I'm still trying to heal that by keeping Vaseline on it. My lips, listen, as far as my lips go, last week, y'all, I was just trying to breathe, okay? I was trying to figure out what nostril will I be able to breathe out of. So my lips were so dry and chapped that they started splitting. Like it first started in the center of my lip and it split and scarred. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And then the other parts of my lips started doing the same thing. So all of that is healing at the end of me, you know, getting rid of this sinus infection. Word of advice, go see a doctor next time. Brandy, go see a doctor. Let's get started so I don't run out this battery. Okay. Alright, and for the eyes, I am going in with Melt Cosmetics. And I'm just going to go in with this eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put this all over the eyelid using my blending brush. So we'll start off real opaque on the eyelid and then buff it out. So it'll look like you're wearing more than one eyeshadow, but really you're just wearing one. And you're just buffing it out in the crease. Going to go in with this color, and that's going to go in our inner tear ducts for a pop. Now we're going to go in with our Cherry Blossom lashes, and we're going in with the Duo, my favorite glue. We are going to be priming with Shiseido's sunscreen lotion, and it spreads. Only use this much. And I like to use this because it doesn't leave my skin greasy, because I'm oily. I'm combination too oily, so I have to be careful with what I choose to use. I like this because it keeps me matte. I'm avoiding the nose area, even though I'm still gonna put sunscreen on it. I'm not gonna put foundation on my nose because right now it's just really scarred all up under here and around the rim of my nostril, so I don't want to put makeup on. Going in with EveryHue Beauty. It's a tinted moisturizer, something light. It is a little, it does oxidize so it'll turn a tad bit red on me, but the concealer always evens it out, so I'm never too worried about it. Plus I don't, as you can tell, I don't use a lot whatsoever. I use a very small amount. Going in with two of my favorite concealers. One is 45 and the other one is 55, and this is just going to be my under eye highlight. And we are going in with our contour and highlight. I normally set my face with the powder, but since it's cold outside, I won't get oily as much, so I'm gonna just do this instead. We're gonna go in with Old Faithful, the only one that I put pan on, and that is Razin. And now we're going in with Justine Skye's matte collection. This is actually maybe almost 2 years old, if not 2 years old. But yeah, I still use it. As you can tell, I hit the pan, but it's still my favorite. And even though it's purple, it just looks like blush with a little bit of sheen. So it's not really a big deal on my skin tone versus somebody who's a lighter complexion. And then I mix it with a gold highlighter, an Extreme Dimension highlighter. And this one is in Magical Apple. Oh, sorry, Magnetic Apple. Go ahead and put it on top. And we're going in with our lip pencil. And this is just in the color brown. And I'm going in with a very opaque lip gloss. This is by Dior in Brilliant 310.